Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I'm feeling the really good vibes today. Pretty Progress 23, aka Elizabeth here. Welcome back to the Acne Channel. I get a lot of questions asking me what's the difference between Banisher 2.0 and the original Banisher. So I have it here, Original Banisher, Banisher 2.0. So I used the original Banisher for about 8 months and it worked wonders for my skin. Like, I loved it so much. So as you can see there, I'm holding too many things. Obviously I should start off with like, what the hell is a Banisher? This is derma rolling done at home. There's these tiny little micro needles that work to put micro injuries in your skin. And because there's these micro injuries, when you roll it, your skin's like, hey, I need to send like white blood cells to that area to produce collagen and to repair that area so you can rebuild that collagen to kind of fill up those pores and indented scars. So that's what micro needling is all about. And it's just so simple, right? Just rolling on your face. But the thing is, a lot of people get really scared with derma rolling at home because they don't know how much pressure they need to put, what direction they should roll, or how many times they should roll. So it can get really tough when it comes to rollers. But, okay, this is super easy. It looks a little bit wet because the rubbing oil was there. But as you can see, this is the new This is the new version of the Banish 2.0, Banisher 2.0. As you can see, it's like the bigger version of a stamp. So if you've purchased Banish before, I'll show you what the old one looks like. Okay. So I love this. This is called the Banish stamp or pen, whatever you want to call it. Pen stamp, because you literally just stamp. And they also have those micro needles, but it goes straight down. And I used this when I had like really severe cystic acne, but I still wanted to treat my scars in areas where I didn't have acne. So I'll just stamp in those areas. And it was so easy to navigate around my active pimples. Not only was it easy to navigate around my pimples, but it was so easy to use because literally all you do is stamp, turn a little bit, stamp, turn a little bit, stamp. Easiest instructions ever. And Daisy, the amazing founder, was like, hey, if everybody loves this so much, why don't we create the bigger version so it makes it really convenient and it works just as effective. Let's try to improve the brand. And they did it so effectively and so successfully. That's why I'm so like, That's why I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. So that's the little version. If you still have active pimples, I highly recommend this so you can work around your inflammation but still work on your scars. So this is the bigger version. As you can see, there's a lid on it. I mean, how convenient is that? The lid isn't just to protect the micro needles, but it is also to fill the rubbing oil up to the surface line. And then, so once you twist it like that, it's like a bottle cap. And you just shake, leave around for 5 minutes and it will disinfect your micro needles for you. Okay, you take it out, let it dry for 5 minutes, and as easy as it sounds, you literally just stamp, twist 90 degrees because you don't want to stamp in the same area. Like, you don't want to like really traumatize your skin. So you want to stamp, twist, stamp, and you do that 3 to 4 times on that area that you really want to focus on. So I've been doing it on this cheek mainly. My scars have looked so much better. Honestly, it used to be really pigmented, really deep, and now like it's getting it's fading away. The only makeup that I'm wearing is under my eyes and my brows. So yeah, I'm gonna go close up so you can really see my scars here. That's what I'm working on. I only have a few active pimples here. Anyways, highly recommend this. Now the bristles are much finer than the original Banish roller. Now, let me just get it out there. Both are great inventions, great micro needling tools. I love them both. It's just that this is just the better and more upgraded version. So the bristles are finer and sharper. And because it goes straight down, there's not going to be any problems with like track marks where you roll in incorrect directions. It's antibacterial and it lasts much longer. You can use this at least 8 times and then you can repurchase and continue with your healing. I hope you found that really helpful. I wanted to get straight to the point. You can use my code Lizzie with only one Z, BANISHER. All the information is down below, and you can find me on my other social media accounts, Pretty Progress 23. I'm sending you all my love and light. Mwah! Bye!